Stop paying $49 for PDF files. You've probably found a free AI course, spent hours finishing it, and then realized the verified certificate is locked behind a $50 paywall. You don't have to pay. Today, I'm showing you the backdoor methods to get the top AI certificates for $0. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Number 1. The Coursera Financial Aid Hack. Almost every AI course on Coursera, from Google to Stanford, has a hidden financial aid link. Most people miss it because it's tiny and right next to the enroll button. Do not click the free trial or enroll button. Instead, click the tiny link that says financial aid available. You have to answer 2 questions with at least 150 words each. You don't need to lie, but the secret is to tell them you are a student or career switcher in a developing market and that this certificate is essential for your first AI job. Wait exactly 16 days. You'll get an email saying you're approved and the $49 fee is waived. Number 2. The Harvard OCW secret. If you want Harvard University on your resume, do not take CS50 on edX. edX will charge you $219 for the verified certificate. The secret? Go directly to Harvard OpenCourseWare at cs50.harvard.edu. Harvard hosts the same course, same videos, and same projects on their own site. If you submit your projects there and score 70% or higher, Harvard issues their own verified certificate of completion for free. It looks the same to a recruiter, but costs you nothing. Number 3. The IBM SkillsBuild portal. IBM's AI Foundations is one of the most popular courses on Coursera, but it's part of a paid subscription. To get it for free, go to IBM SkillsBuild. This is IBM's corporate social responsibility site. They offer the same AI and data science courses for free. When you finish, they issue a Credly digital badge, which is the industry standard. It's the same credential, but you bypass the Coursera fees entirely. Number 4. The AWS Emerging Talent. Amazon Web Services AWS exams usually cost $100. But if you are a student or a beginner, use the AWS Educate platform. Here's how. Join the AWS Emerging Talent community. As you watch videos and complete labs, you earn points. You need 4,500 points for a foundational voucher, or 5,200 for an associate one. You can trade these points for 100% free exam vouchers. It turns your learning time into actual currency for your certification. If you want a PDF with the direct links to all 5 of these secret portals, comment free certificates below and I'll send it over. If you have any queries, comment below. Click this card for our top AI career roadmap and check the description for all the direct links. Thanks for watching.